Here I have Motorola Moto G8 Power Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, languages and input, virtual keyboard, Gboard, languages, add keyboard. Here you have the whole list of languages in which you can type on your keyboard. Let's select, for example, Greek, and then tap done. And now let's try to write something down in Greek language. And as you can see, now I have Greek layout on my keyboard here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.